How to enable dark mode on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile here, and then just click the three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here we'll find theme, and then just click here dark and go back. It will be saved. And that's how to enable dark mode on Instagram Lite. And of course you can disable it again. Just select light mode here, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.